Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see area scale of a map for year 7 students. Let's get started. Area scale. The area scale of a map is the square of its linear scale. That means the linear scale you have to square it. If the linear scale is 1:n, then the area scale is given by you have to square on both the sides. So it will be 1 square is to n square. 1 square is 1 only and is to n square. So this is your area scale. If the scale of a map is 1 centimeter to 3 kilometers, then 1 centimeter square, you are doing the square on this side. That means you have to do it square on this side also. On the map will represent it by 3 kilometer the whole square, which is equal to 3 square is 9 and kilometer square is kilometer square. So 1 centimeter square will be equal to 9 kilometer square. Let's see one question here. A map is drawn to a scale of 1:40,000. A nature reserve is represented by an area of 80 centimeters square on the map. Calculate the actual area in kilometer square of the nature reserve. I have to calculate the actual area. I have this ratio given to me. This is 1 centimeter is to 40,000 centimeter. I need to convert this into kilometer because I need my answer in kilometer. We have 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. I am going from smaller unit to bigger unit. That means I need to divide it by 100. Let's do it here. 1 centimeter is to 40,000 divided by 100 meter. 2 zeros will got cancelled from here and you will get 1 centimeter is to 400 meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. I am going from smaller unit to bigger unit. That means I need to divide it with 1000. Let's divide it here. 1 centimeter is to 400 divided by 1000 kilometer. 2 zeros will got cancelled from here. Your answer is 1 centimeter is to 4 over 10 kilometer. This will be written as 1 centimeter is to 0.4 kilometer. I have to get the answer for area. I need to square it on both the sides. So 1 centimeter the whole square is to 0.4 kilometer the whole square. 1 square is 1 and this will be centimeter square. This will be written as, this is 0.4 the whole square. That means you are multiplying 0.4 2 times, which is basically if you move this decimal on right side, this will be 4 over 10. If you move this decimal on right hand side, it will be 4 over 10. 4 times 4 is 16 over 100. After 2 digit, you have to put the point. So this is my first digit, this is my second digit, and after 2 digit, I have to put the point. So my answer will be 0.16. Let's write on the answer here. 0.16 kilometer square. I have to calculate the answer for 80 centimeter square. Let's write down here 80 centimeter square. 80 centimeter square. How do you reach from 1 to 80? Which operation you are going to do? Multiplied by 80, right? So the same operation you have to do it here also, multiplied by 80. 0.16 multiplied by 80. I have to multiply that. First move this decimal 2 digit to the right. This means that you are writing 100 in the denominator. 1 0 will got cancelled from here and your answer for 80 centimeter square will be 16 times 8 over 10. I have to multiply 16 times 8. If you have memorized the table, the answer is 128. This will be written as 128 over 10. After one digit, I have to put the point. So that means this is my first digit. I have to put the point here. So my answer will be equal to 80 centimeter square will be 12.8 kilometer square on the actual area. Here, if you have not memorized the table 16 times 8, let's do it how we have to do that. 16 multiplied by 8 will be written as 10 plus 6 multiplied by 8. 10 times 8 is 80 and 6 times 8 is 48. If you add it, 8 plus 0 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. So answer is 128. That's why the actual area of the nature reserve is 12.8 kilometer square. Let's see the next example here. A map has a scale of 1:50,000. Find the actual length in kilometer of a river which is represented by 9.8 centimeter on the map. I need to calculate the actual length when it represents 9.8 centimeter on the map. Second, what is the area in centimeter square on the map represented by the area of 7 kilometers on the ground, on the actual ground. I have to show that area on the map. Let's do the first part here. Our scale is 1 centimeter is to 50,000 centimeter. I have to calculate the actual length in kilometer. I need to convert this into kilometer. We know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Going from smaller unit to bigger unit, what we have to do? Divide it by 100. Let's do it here. 1 centimeter is to 50,000 over 100 meter. 2 zeros will got cancelled from here. 1 centimeter is to 500 meter. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Going from smaller unit to bigger unit, what we have to do? We have to divide it with 1000. Let's write it here. 1 centimeter is to 500 over 1000 kilometer. 2 zeros will got cancelled from here. My answer is 1 centimeter is to 5 over 10 kilometer. After one digit, I have to put the point. So this is my first digit, and after that I have to put the point. So my answer will be 1 centimeter is to 0.5 kilometer. I have to calculate the actual length in kilometer when it is represented by 9.8 centimeter on the map. Let's do it for 9.8 centimeter here. How do you reach from 1 to 9.8? Which operation you are going to do? Multiplied by 9.8. So the same operation I have to do it here also, multiplied by 9.8. Let's do it here. 0.5 multiplied by 9.8. I have to multiply that. If you are moving this decimal to the right, that means you are writing 10 in the denominator. You have to move this decimal on the right, that means you are writing 10 in the denominator. I have to multiply 98 multiplied by 5. You can do it with two methods. First, you multiply that normally. 8 5s are 40. 0, 4 carry over. 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. Let's write down here 49. So the answer is 490. If you can't do it like that, you can split 98 as 90 plus 8, and this is multiplied by 5. This will be written as 90 multiplied by 5 plus 8 times 5. 9 5s are 45 and 0 is there, plus 8 times of 5 is 40. If you add it, 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 4 is 9, and answer is 490. Let's write down here 9.8 centimeter is to 490 over 100. 1 0 will got cancelled from here, and after one digit I have to put point. So after 9 I have to put point. So my answer will be 4.9. Let's write down the answer here. That will be written as 9.8 centimeter is to 4.9 kilometer. So this will be the actual length of the river is 4.9 kilometer. That will be my answer. Let's see the second part here. We need to calculate the area in centimeter square on the map represented by an area of 7 kilometers on the actual ground. What is our ratio? Our ratio was 1 centimeter is to 0.5 kilometers on the actual ground. So I need to flip this and write it. So my actual is 0.5 kilometer is to map on 1 centimeter. I need to first move this to 1 kilometer because as I told you earlier, the numerator should always be 1. So first I need to write down the answer for 1 kilometer. How you are going from 0.5 to 1? Which operation you are going to do? Divided by 0.5. The same operation I have to do it here also, divided by 0.5. So it will be 1 divided by 0.5. If you move this decimal 1 to the right, that means you are writing 10 in the numerator. So your 1 kilometer is to 10 over 5. 5 got cancelled with 10 and it will be 2. So 1 kilometer is to 2 centimeter. That is my scale. But I need to calculate the area. That means I have to do it square on both the sides. 1 kilometer, the whole square, is to 2 centimeter, the whole square. This will be written as 1 square is 1. 1 kilometer square is to 2 square is 4 centimeter square. I have to calculate for 7 kilometers square. Let's write down here 7 kilometer square. How you are going to reach from 1 to 7? Which operation you are going to do? Multiplied by 7. The same operation I have to do it here also, multiplied by 7. So 4 times 7, that will be equal to 28 centimeter square. So we have the area on the map is 28 centimeter square. That will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.